How to find transit number of Bank of Montreal. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To find the transit number of Bank of Montreal, you can follow these steps. First, check your check. The transit number is typically printed on the bottom of your check. It is the 5-digit number that appears before your account number. Second, online banking. Log into your BMO online banking account. Navigate to your account details where you should see the transit numbers listed. Third, bank statements. Your monthly bank statements may also display the transit number. Fourth, BMO website. Visit the official BMO website. They often have resources or a search tool where you can enter your branch location to find the transit number. And lastly, you can contact your customer service. If you are unable to find it, you can always call BMO customer service for further assistance. And if you have a specific branch in mind, then you can also go there directly and find your transit number. So this is how you can find transit number in Bank of Montreal. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.